weekly VODCAST. I hope that you guys are having an absolutely extraordinary weekend. Can you believe that we are in the month of October? What? We're entering our 6th week of school. The Room 21 rock stars are working with such incredible effective effort, such perseverance, such grit, such determination, and at the end of the day, we just have so much fun on Google Meet, laughing, learning, and just having a good time, guys. So thank you, Room 21 Rockstar families, for your continued sacrifices, for your continued support. And Room 21 Rockstars, I love you guys. You're awesome. So I want to count up the top 3 things that you need to know for the week. You actually get a +1 this week, so we're actually counting up the top 4 things that you need to know for the week because I had a 4th thing. So number 1, guys, would include the fact that interims, a quick revision, interims are coming home tomorrow, so I'll be emailing those out at some point tomorrow. Now remember, the interims are going to look a little different this year. Really, they're going to be focused on the engagement, the participation within Canvas, and also during our Google Meet time. And then I'll provide a little bit of a comment, a little bit of a narrative at the bottom of that interim, guys. So that's number 1. Number 2, our rock stars of the week. So remember, Team A and Team B get announced at different times. So our Team B Rockstar of the Week for last week, guys, was Logan. Logan's uplifting, his encouragement, his all-inness during his live Google Meet times, as well as with his work on Canvas, is just out of this world. Congratulations, Logan. You are Team B's Rockstar of the Week. The new Team B Rockstar of the Week will be announced tomorrow. And then Team A, your Rockstar of the Week that was announced during morning meeting on Thursday was Christian. The same thing goes for Christian. Christian is all in with everything that he does. He brings the passion. If we have a brain break, he is up and dancing. He throws those positive comments in the chat at all times. So congratulations, Christian. You are Team A's Rock Star of the Week. Congratulations, guys. And then number 3, guys, I sent an email last week kind of detailing this social, emotional, and school support survey that scholars will be taking tomorrow during morning meeting. I also included the links in our weekly update. There is an opt-out form. If you do not want your scholar to participate, please let me know as soon as possible. But we're going to take that during morning meeting tomorrow. And I talked to the scholars during morning meeting on Friday about needing their login card, okay? It was highlighted with pink and blue. It was in the book box when you picked that up at the beginning of the school year, guys. That is going to be necessary for them to get onto that survey. We did make deliveries on Friday for anyone who said they didn't have their card. So I'm hoping everybody has their card. If you don't, guys, let me know ASAP, okay? And for number 4, I'm actually going to send you over to the screen because I want to show you a couple of things, as well as our Wonder of the Week will pop up over on the screen, guys. So I'll see you on the other one, Rockstars. So for number 4, I just wanted to show you a few things that maybe you weren't aware of or maybe you never went to yet that will kind of challenge your learning, okay? So here I am in Canvas on my dashboard. I'm going to go over to the homeroom. And on the homeroom, you're going to find our Bitmoji classroom, which you see each day that you log on before you go to your calendars. So right here, guys, you're going to see this star, this yellow star. I'm actually going to click that star. I'm going to give it a second to load. And as it loads, I'm going to find these different tasks. So these are some really awesome tasks, guys, ways for you to earn force, and also just ways to stretch your thinking. But the thing that's even more awesome about these tasks, guys, would include the fact that they line up with what we're learning in class. And they go in that order. So first we started off with prime and composite numbers. Those are going to be there. Okay, so you're going to have a little bit of a challenge there. Here we talked about some algebraic ideas, some variables, as well as order of operations. You're going to find those there. Balancing equations, things we just talked about in class last week, etc., etc. So you can choose to complete which ones you want to choose. You don't have to complete them all. You can just pick and choose. You might say, oh, I really want to work on this one. This looks like a cool challenge. So these are really cool ways to stretch your thinking, guys. And they, as I said, they're available by clicking the yellow star right there where my mouse is on our Bitmoji classroom in our home room. And then the second thing, guys, our Wonder of the Week, you know, we're always talking about how can we extend our wonder for the week? What are we going to be studying this week in class? Well, we're back to another science unit studying the oceans, and all I will say is potato. And as you can see, there's a picture of a potato right there. That is my wonder of the week, guys. I cannot wait to get it started. At this time, I'm going to send you back over to me in full screen. Alrighty, Room 21 Rockstar families, thank you for joining us for this week's weekly VODCAST. I hope that you guys have an amazing week ahead. Rockstars, we are going to rock the week. I cannot wait for it to get started. Families, as always, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. And don't forget that you guys are the very best families in Stafford County, Virginia. And I will see you right back here next week. See you guys.